Hi, I'm here with Vlad and Konrad that just got out of the Michael Kors fashion show. What do you think of his collection?
His collection is always so glamorous. And the purple dress, oh my God, was that phenomenal. That dress was out of this world, but his clothes are divine, absolutely divine.
It seems like purple is one of the hot colors for the fall. What do you think? You're a designer?
I think many designers this year use so many colors, but I saw most show they use gray, yellow, purple. I think this is most usable color.
Did you see the Rockin' Republic show?
Yeah, I love this show. I really want clothes for myself.
But they use mostly black colors and some purple.
Yes, mostly dark colors, which I did write about for my blog, cognacscorner.tv. Yes, they did use a lot of somber shades, muted tones, dark colors. Well, it is the fall and winter, so of course they're going to use more dark urban colors,
So what other shows are you going to see when you're here now?
Well, I don't know, Vlad. What are you going to be doing? You're going to be going to more shows, right?
Yes, of course. Sometimes I like a show not under 10, like, little bit more free show with real people. I'm going to see Nikos and Adrian's show.
Sometimes
this is so
we do
fun.
that too. We like to go to things off-site also.
Yes.
Because you do always find raw talent that way, and it's always wonderful to see new concepts, new ideas.
Like a fashion week give opportunity see different work, different designers, like under 10 and established designers and new designers who made show in the city.
So you as a designer, is it your dream to be showing at Bryant Park one day?
I've been in the show. I'm not new in the fashion industry. In New York, yes, I only 4 years in this country. But I'm from Europe. This is not new. Of course, I want to make show in New York, of course. But I pretty well. I made a jacket, upcoming movie, Lindsay Lohan, and a L'Oreal model Janine Green wear my dresses for fundraiser. And
do you have a website we can go and check out your collection?
Under
my website now and yes, because all the website I don't like.
To find any information about Vlad, in the meantime, you can always come to my website, cognacscorner.tv.
Okay, I will sure to do that. Thank you so much. It was nice meeting you. Have fun the rest of the week. Thank you.